Stuck in a creative rut? Here are 3 AI prompt hacks that will set your mind on fire. First, prompt chaining. Break big goals into smaller steps. For example, instead of asking, create a 4-week marketing campaign, say, step 1, identify the top 3 customer segments for my product. Step 2, write a brand voice tailored to these segments. And step 3, develop a 4-week campaign using this voice. This step-by-step approach ensures clarity and better results. Second, tree of thought. Get multiple ideas, then refine the best one. For example, ask, give me 3 strategies to enter the fitness apparel market. 1 focused on influencer partnerships, 1 on content marketing, and the other using affiliate programs. Then say, refine the influencer strategy for early adopters. Third, meta prompting. Let AI help you craft the perfect prompt. For example, say I'm struggling to create a product launch strategy. Suggest the best prompt to get started. The AI will generate a well-structured question, saving you time and effort. These hacks will make the AI your creative partner. No more blank screens, just endless ideas.